Alright, the iPhone 15 series has arrived. As usual, it comes in 4 different models: iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max. Let's dive into the details of the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro. But before we get started, please don't forget to show us your support by liking this video and subscribe to my channel. By the way, if you would like to see a video about the Watch Series 9 and Watch Ultra 2, please let me know in the comments below. The new iPhone 15. It comes in exciting new colors with rounded camera corners. Real headline here is the introduction of USB-C and Dynamic Island. That's right, Dynamic Island is now available in the base iPhone models. The cameras in the iPhone 15 series boasts a 48 megapixel camera with 2 times optical zoom. What's really cool is the smart portrait system, which automatically detects objects and gather metadata from the camera. This means you can adjust the focus even if you forgot to take a photo in portrait mode. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 still runs on the trusty A16 Bionic chip. Now, let us talk about the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. These models bring 3 significant changes to the table: build quality, the processor, and the Pro level cameras. Apple has introduced the brand new A17 Pro chip, which is the world's first 3nm chip. This chip promises 20% faster GPU, 10% faster CPU, and 4 times increase in ray tracing, and 2 times faster neural engine. It's designed to cater to hardcore gamers, and during the launch event, Apple even showcased how it can handle PlayStation games. Thanks to Apple to introduce the ray tracing technology for smoother and fluid graphics. In addition to the powerhouse processor, the Pro models also supports USB 3. This means you can transfer files up to 20% faster. Now let's talk about build quality. The iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max are the first phones to feature a titanium build, which not only makes them incredibly durable but also gives them a premium look and feel. Apple has also made an interesting change by replacing the alert slider with an action button. This button isn't just for silencing your phone, it can be programmed for various actions, similar to what we have seen in the Apple Watch Ultra. Coming to the cameras, these models also have 48 megapixel cameras, but with 5 times optical zoom is introduced for only Pro Max model, and they introduced spatial video recording, which we can view in their latest hyped product, the Vision Pro. If you want to know about Vision Pro, I already done a video, have a look on that. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech updates.